Let's talk through some default calendar settings in Google Calendar. So when you create a new event, you can create a new event by clicking here, Create, or you can click on the calendar where you want the event to be. And you can see right here when I clicked Create, I got an event that was 30 minutes long. See, it fills 30 minutes. That's a default event setting that I have in my Google Calendar settings. So that's one example, but I'll walk you through a few right now. So if you click on the settings gear, then the settings button, you'll see it right here in my event settings. So this is the one I just talked about, default duration. When I create a new event in Google Calendar, it defaults to 30 minutes. You can make it any duration you want, up to 120. You can even click this button if you want the duration to decrease by 5 minutes. So now you'll see, or 10 minutes if it's longer. So 60 goes to 50. As you saw, 30 went to 25. That's if you want time between meetings or you want meetings to end a little bit early for some other reason. I'll leave mine as 30 for now. Then you have default guest permissions. What this means is that when you create a new event, the guests have certain permissions to do things with that event. They can either see the guest list, they can invite others, or they can have all the permissions, which is modify event. That means they have the same permissions as you do for the most part, where they can change the title, invite more people, do whatever they need to do to the event. It's efficient. Instead of them having to change the event and asking you, they can just do it themselves. And then finally, this is for invitations that you get, whether you want them to automatically show up on your calendar or not until you respond to them. You can just change that setting right there. So I have yes, because I like when an invitation comes in, I'm assuming I want it on my calendar, so it appears there. I do have to delete it if something goes on the calendar that I don't want there, but it's a nice efficient feature because for the most part, if an invitation comes in, I probably do want to respond and I want to join. That's it.